Alright guys, day 2. Day 1 did not go so well. Chad Hoover caught one little guy. I got skunked, so after I went straight here to work. I caught one, so I didn't have that skunk on me anymore, and then went straight to work. And it's been a crazy day, 2 days, I don't know. I've lost track. But that's what fishing's all about. I'm hoping today I can get them on some fish. I'm pretty sure I can. We're going to try some saltwater first. See if we can catch some trout or redfish this morning. And then I want to take them to a honey hole, or I know we should catch some bass. If we don't catch anything there, it's just one of those days. But that's what fishing's all about. Get out, fish, have fun, forget about everything else. There he is, man, guys, the man of the hour.
It's 15 minutes.
He's tested, he's got to taste his rods every morning before he goes out to make sure they're fit.
You have to lick them. There's a chemical in your saliva that kills some of the food, and it attracts fish at the same time, or at least in my saliva. So you lick your leader, it gets rid of a lot of that human scent. Makes it easier to catch these really finicky redfish. Because they're super selective. They only eat, anything you throw at them.
See, I warned you guys about the nonsense talk from No Sleep.
We tried to not catch redfish one time in Corpus Christi, and we finally didn't catch them on goldfish. And that's only because the goldfish wouldn't stay on the hook.
Look at him go. I'm just gonna let him play.
Little poor man's tarpon action going on right there.
Oh, dude, he choked it.
That right there is one of the best.
Look, quick release. He ripped his lip. He ripped his own lip. Let's watch him flop around for a while.
All the way down the board.
We might get some shark in here now. He's bleeding.
Yeah, GoPro was watching it. I don't know if it's too far though.
Look, I think he's got it off the tree.
Oh, there you go.
So for that fish, you had to be in the tree. So get it close to the tree. Not close to the tree, you had to throw it in the tree. That was pretty cool.
That's the average size.
The bass like blew up on it, hanging from the tree, come up out of the water to try to get it and couldn't get it. So I lowered it down in the water and then he ate it. Pretty cool. Black bass.
What?
Fish gods, are you kidding me? Did you see where I put that lure?
I usually catch one back in there.
Are you kidding me? That should have been just, the fish gods should have just said, yeah, nice cast, bro, here's the fish.
Chad's over here
Right in the corner of the mouth.
knocking them out left and
Like
right.
they're supposed to be. Just walking the dog with the fluke just a little circle. Gumming it.
You're supposed to be, I think you're supposed to be in front of that access panel. You're like where the motor.
In the front?
You're like where the motor usually is.
Right.
Don't fall. Look at that, walking around like a champ.
Like a freaking, like a gazelle. Yeah, that doesn't suck.
And you guys talk about paddleboards just so unstable. You see him just walking around on that thing? They call that paddleboard slash skiff boat slash kayak slash solo
I'm about to go catch some fish.
slash wait up. Look what I'm taking. I'm taking the inflatable. That was actually really refreshing. It's right there. If you fall off, it's like this deep.
And I can see the bottom. It's crazy how much difference a little bit of the wrong side paddle makes.
Yeah.
I see people with the wrong side paddle all the time.
Like me today, I didn't have my extendable out, and I was paddling. I didn't feel like pulling it out. That's why I always get the extendable. That was pretty funny. The good news, I didn't lose my rod in that water.
Why do you need to clean your lens?
Cause I didn't.
Did you get water on it?
Nope. Cause I didn't get water on it. Dude, it feels so good when you get wet. It's like AC out
tell
here.
Tell everybody what just happened.
All right, guys. I was trying to hurry up and get out in the water to catch all this fish with Chad, and my fin was stuck in the dirt, so I wanted to step off, and I fell right in the water. First time ever falling off the paddleboard, and it was very refreshing.
And it was graceful.
And graceful. Pecker over here tries to attack me sometimes. See that? There's another fish. Like, oh, cast over me. Yep. Alright guys, I'm hitting Topwater and Chad's following it with a Cinco and catching all the fish. Look, there it is. There it is. Over the paddleboard!
I did that on purpose.
There's a little old dock over on the other side. It's like perfect. One actually could eat the top toad. Yep. Right in the roof of the mouth. One reason why I like top toads. Other reason why I like top toads. When they throw your toad, you can get it back. He had a little mushy gut on him. That tree's like right here, right underneath my board. Alright guys, I completely forgot my paddle. We're about to launch. I'm gonna run to the car. I'm running back right now. Kick me.
Just not that hard.
You like this? Way to launching the paddleboard. Oh, dude. Good one. Nice 2.5. Nice, guys. First fish, breaking the ice with Chad Hoover. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There it is. He is pulling, boy. Are you filming? Uh-oh. Oh no! Throw it over there. Dude, that's a giant.
I'm gonna let the baby ducks go bye-bye. He actually pooped in the fish. So generally, if you don't want to cook them, you can go back in there and get them. Nothing doing with the spinnerbait, so I will go back in here.
There we go. Stay down. I think I foul hooked him. It's another fatty. Oh my goodness, he's got wrapped around my rod. Come here, give me that lip. I hooked him on the outside of the lip. Like it went out and it back, or in and back out. Oh. All right, got him out. And quick release. Ooh. Yeah, there he is. Oh, dang it. It's all good in hell. If you want to ram right there, I'll pull you up. Don't try this at home, folks. There he goes, guys. He's going back. Say bye.